Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You need to start by verifying Equalizer APO is applied to the correct playback device. Open the configurator with admin rights, tick the target output, then apply and reboot. Once done, make sure Windows audio enhancements and exclusive mode are disabled for that device because they can conflict and cause APO to drop out. Also check your audio driver if it's using generic drivers. Install the manufacturer driver so APO can attach reliably. Next, align the sample rate and channel layout between Windows and Equalizer APO. Open Sound Control Panel, select the device, and set the same sample rate and bit depth that APO expects. Mismatches can mute audio. Then simplify your configuration. Disable complex FIR or long IIR chains and try a single band to see if cutting out stops. If you use Piece or another GUI, update or bypass it temporarily. Wrappers can introduce timing or crash problems. Finally, reinstall Equalizer APO while running the installer as administrator. Then reopen Configurator, reapply devices, and reboot. Test audio in multiple apps to isolate whether one program is triggering the cutouts. ASIO, VoIP, or game engines can grab audio and break APO. If issues continue, temporarily disable other audio processors like Realtek DSP or roll back the sound driver. If still failing, a key troubleshooting tip: enable
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.